हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम। मैं गांगड़ी सर आपका स्वागत करता हूं। आज की क्लास में हम ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री का द मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट चैप्टर नाइट्रोजन कंटेनिंग ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं। नाइट्रोजन कंटेनिंग ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स में एमाइंस के बारे में हमें इस चैप्टर में पढ़ना है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। नाउ फर्स्ट इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट दिस, which are the nitrogen containing organic compound or nitrogen containing functional group. Okay, then nitrogen containing functional group, then first word will come, what is mean by functional group. Functional group किसे कहते हैं? Then we can define in this way, the group of atom which impart characteristic property into organic molecule is known as a functional groups. So let's define this functional group. You are knowing very well. Functional group यानी the group of atom. This group of atom imparts characteristic property in organic compound. Such a group of atom is known as a functional group. Now there are different type of 5 nitrogen containing functional groups are there. First we can take this amines. Now when we take amines, if it is primary amine, then it is a formula NH2. For nomenclature of this amine compound, we are using suffix amines. Then after, another nitrogen containing functional group is nitro. Symbol of nitro is NO2. Then after, we can say it is another functional group amide. Amide, if CONH2 group is present into organic compound, then it is known as a amide. Then cyanide and isocyanide. If carbon joined with nitrogen through triple bond, then this functional group is known as a cyanide. And if nitrogen having a triple bond with carbon, nitrogen have positive charge, carbon have negative charge, then this functional group is known as a isocyanide. So there are nitrogen containing 5 different functional groups are there. Now, if we can define this different type of amine compounds, nitro compound, amide compound, cyanide compound and isocyanide compound. So we can define in this way, if this nitrogen of amine is attached with a carbon of hydrocarbon, then this compound obtained are known as a amine compound. If nitro group is attached with carbon of hydrocarbon, then this compound obtained is known as a nitro compound. Similarly, if amide linkage is present or amide group is present with alkyl chain, then this compound are known as a amide compound. Cyanide compound, if cyano or nitrile group is attached with a carbon of hydrocarbon, then this compound are known as a cyanide compound. And isocyanide group is attached with carbon of hydrocarbon, then this compound are known as a isocyanide compound. Now we have to study about the structure of amines. In this out of 5 functional group, we have to study about amine compound in this chapter. In today's lecture, in this part, we will study what is the structure of amine compound. So now, structure of amines. So it is observed that when we remove hydrogen from water, then whatever compound obtained is known as an alcohol. Whatever compound obtained, it is considered as an alcohol. Similarly, if hydrogen is replaced by aryl group, then whatever compound obtained, it is considered as a phenol compound. So when we remove hydrogen from water by alkyl group, we get alcohol. If replaced by aryl group, then whatever compound obtained is known as a phenolic compound, so phenol. Similarly, from ammonia molecule, ammonia means NH3. So similarly, from ammonia molecule, when hydrogen atom is replaced by whatever hydrogen atom is, that is replaced by alkyl group, then we are getting a alkyl amine. If it is replaced by alkyl group, then we get a alkyl amine. Similarly, if hydrogen is replaced by aryl group, then whatever amine obtained, it is known as a aryl amine. And same as if hydrogen is replaced by alkyl group attached with aryl, then it is known as alkyl aryl. So we can say that amines are of 3 types. We can give alkyl amine, aryl amine or alkyl aryl amine. So now, when hydrogen from ammonia replaced by alkyl chain, then we get a alkyl amine. So it is observed that the structure of amine compound, the structure of amine compound is similar to ammonia. We can give these things that it is structure of this all amine compound. This structure is similar to amine compound. Now, nitrogen, when we take this nitrogen, the nitrogen atomic number you are knowing, atomic number of nitrogen is 7. So electronic configuration of nitrogen is 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1. Now, to form amine compounds, generally it undergo hybridizations. So one orbital of s type and 3 orbital of p type take part in hybridization, and as a result we are getting a 4sp3 hybrid orbital. Now in this 4sp3 hybrid orbital 5 electrons are arranged. When this 5 electrons are arranged, one orbital having a 2 electron and all other orbital having a 1 electron. So in ammonia structures, nitrogen having a sp3 hybridizations. In this sp3 hybridizations, nitrogen having a 1 non-bonding electron pair, and this 3 sp3 hybrid orbital share their electron with this hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom having a electronic configuration 1s1. So we get the structure of ammonia. Now in the structure of ammonia, you can observe that in structure of ammonia, nitrogen having a type of hybridization is sp3, and this all nitrogen hydrogen bond are which type of bond? Sigma bond, and bond angle due to this sp3 hybridization, bond angle is 109 degree and 28 minutes. So now in the structure of ammonia, nitrogen having a 1 non-bonding electron pair, and it has a 3 sigma bond with a hydrogen atom. Now similarly in amine compound, if we have a primary amine, secondary amine or tertiary amines, whatever different type of amine, it may be R, R dash or R double dash. Now R dash or R double dash, it may be alkyl group, it may be aryl group, it may be hydrogen also. So it is observed that this nitrogen having a 3 sigma bond, this all having a nitrogen having a sigma bond. In all amine types of, in all amine, the type of hybridization for nitrogen is sp3 hybridization. Now it is observed that this non-bonding electron pair, nitrogen key, this nitrogen key non-bonding electron pair, it will feel repulsion with the bonding electron pair of a sigma bond. These all three are sigma bond. So due to this repulsion, the bond angle in amine structure decrease from, due to this repulsion it decrease from 109 degree 28 minute to 108 degree. So it is observed that in a structure of amine, the bond angle will be slight less as compared to the bond angle in a ammonia. So it is observed that in all different type of amine, suppose I will take a trimethylamine, then in a structure of trimethylamine, it is observed that this nitrogen having a non-bonding electron pair, this nitrogen carbon bond electron pair is bonding electron pair, and this bonding and non-bonding electron pair feel repulsion, and therefore bond angle will be slight less. Remaining thing as it is, bond type of hybridization will be sp3. So it is observed that in a structure of amine, nitrogen having a sp3 hybridization, but bond angle will be little less as compared to bond angle present in a ammonia. Now you can observe that the structure of this amine compound is just like a pyramidal shape. You can observe these things. It is one type of pyramid is created. So in a amine compound, the structure of all amine compound is pyramidal structure. So now in basic introduction part of this lecture, we have studied that first, if what is meant by functional group, then the group of atom which impart characteristic property into organic compound is known as a functional group. there are 5 nitrogen containing functional group: amine, nitro, amide, cyanide and isocyanide. About this we have to study in this chapter. Now, how these compounds are obtained? Then we can say, just like alcohol, when hydrogen of water is replaced by alkyl group, then we get a alcohol, or replaced by aryl group, then we get a phenol. Similarly, from ammonia, when hydrogen is replaced by alkyl group, then we get alkyl amine. If replaced by aryl group, then we get aryl amine, or another type of amine is alkyl aryl amine. Now, in ammonia, nitrogen having a non-bonding electron pair and electron configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1. So this orbital having a less difference in energy, so it undergo hybridization. So the type of hybridization will be sp3. In this sp3 hybridization, 5 electrons are present in 4 orbitals. This electron pair is non-bonding electron pair and this electron pair is bonding electron pair. This electron pair share their electron with the hydrogen atom, and as a result we get ammonia molecule. It is a pyramidal shape. Type of hybridization is sp3 and bond angle is 109 degree 28 minute. Now, amine is obtained from ammonia. So the structure of amine compound is similar to ammonia structures. This nitrogen having a non-bonding electron pair, it will repulsion with bonding electron pair of nitrogen carbon sigma bond, and due to this, according to valence shell electron pair repulsion theory, this bond angle decrease slightly. So it is observed that in trimethylamine or another secondary or primary amine, the bond angle will be near to 108 degree instead of 109 degree and 28 minute. What is structure of amine compounds? Now in this lecture we will study about classification of amine. So now, classification of amine. It is observed that amine compounds are classified in 3 categories: primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine. So just we will understand the classification of amine with example. Classification of amine. Now all these amine compounds are classified in 3 categories. First is primary amine, then after second is secondary amine, and third is a tertiary amine. So amine compound are classified in 3 categories: primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine. Now we know that structure of amine compound is similar to ammonia. So now from ammonia, when one hydrogen atom is replaced by alkyl group, then we get primary alkyl amine and it has a general formula RNH2. So it is observed that primary amine can be given by RNH2. Now suppose from ammonia 2 hydrogen atom is replaced by alkyl group, then we get secondary amine and formula of secondary amine R2NH, or we can write in this way also RNHR. And if all 3 hydrogen atom of ammonia is replaced by alkyl group or aryl group, then we get a tertiary amine, and tertiary amine having a formula R3N, or we can write in this way also that nitrogen having a 3 sigma bond with a 3 different alkyl group. So now this all amine compound are classified basically in 3 groups: primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine. From ammonia, if one hydrogen atom is replaced by hydrocarbon, then we get primary amine. If both hydrogen atom is replaced by 2 different hydrocarbon, then we get secondary amine. It has a general formula R2NH. If all 3 hydrogen atom of ammonia is replaced by alkyl group, then we get a tertiary amine. Now example of this, suppose this all primary amine is classified in 3 categories: alkyl amine, aryl amine and alkyl aryl amine. So all these 3 different type of amine are further classified in 3 categories. We can give there each and every one having a 3 different type: alkyl amine, then after second will be aryl amine, and third will be alkyl aryl amine. Suppose hydrogen of ammonia is replaced by alkyl group, then it is known as alkyl amine. So CH3NH2, it is known as a methyl amine. So this methyl amine is primary amine, but it is which type of primary amine? Alkyl group type of primary amine. Now similarly, we can suppose hydrogen from ammonia is replaced by aryl group, then we get aryl amine. Aniline is a aryl amine, or common name of this compound you are knowing very well, it is known as a aniline. Similarly, suppose here both hydrogen atom is replaced by methyl group, then we can get this structure, and name of this structure we can give dimethyl amine. Name of this compound is dimethyl amine. Suppose alkyl group, it is replaced by one aryl group, then we get these structures NHCH3. So this NHCH3 is a secondary amine, but it is which type of secondary amine? That is considered as aryl amine. Name of this structure we can give N-methyl aniline. And similarly, if all three hydrogen atom is replaced by alkyl group, then we get this structure CH3 and CH3. Name of this structure we can give trimethyl amine. It is given name trimethyl amine. Or suppose out of three hydrogen atom, two are replaced by alkyl group and one is replaced by aryl, then also it is considered as a aryl amine. And structure we can give this NHCH3. So this amine is considered as a aryl amine. It is secondary amine. For tertiary amine, both hydrogen atom are replaced. So we can give this name of this compound NN dimethyl amine. NN dimethyl amine. Now another example also we can give. Suppose it is possible that both hydrogen atom are replaced by aryl group, then also it is considered as a aryl amine. Name of this structure we can give, common name of this structure is dimethyl amine. This dimethyl amine is also aryl amine. If all three hydrogen atom is replaced by all three aryl group, then we get this structure, and name of this structure will be trimethyl amine. So this trimethyl amine, whatever structure obtained, is considered or known as a trimethyl amine. So this trimethyl amine is which type of amine? Then it is considered as a tertiary amine. So now आप type of amine easily identify कर सकते हो. Suppose in amine structure, if there is NH2 is present, then type of amine will be primary amine. If in amine structure nitrogen having only one hydrogen, then it is a secondary amine. And in amine structure, if nitrogen having no hydrogen, then it is considered as a tertiary amine. तो आपको एग्जाम में different type of MCQ पूछे जाते हैं कि this structure are given, you have to identify what is the type of amine. Now these amine are further classified in a variety of categories. Suppose we can classify it in this way also, that simple amine and mixed amine. These amine are considered in different way also, simple amine as well as mixed amine. Then what is meant by simple and mixed amine? If both alkyl group attached with amine are same, then it is considered as a simple amine. So this dimethyl amine is simple amine, but here this amine that both group attached with a nitrogen are different, that is considered as a mixed amine. So this structure is mixed amine. We can give it is a mixed amine. While this both structure first and last are simple amine. Similarly here, this all three group of atom attached with nitrogen are same. So this amine is considered as a simple amine. While here you can observe that this nitrogen having a one phenyl ring and two methyl group. So this amine is considered as a mixed amine. So if all group are different, then it is mixed amine. If all group are same, then simple amine. Otherwise it is a mixed amine. Here all three group attached with nitrogen are same. So triphenyl amine is a simple amine structures. So now just I am writing a different structure. You have to identify what is the type of amine, and you have to give their common name also. So now in exam you have to ask a different type of question. I give type of amine, or just you have to identify give type of amine. Now this is a structure 1, just identify by yourself. Now another structure, then here structure number 3 for you. Now here I have given a 5 different type of structure. You have to identify it is which type of amine. Now you can observe that here NH2 group is present. NH2 group is present, then type of amine will be primary amine. Okay, it is primary amine, but which type of primary amine? Amine group is directly attached with a benzene ring, so it is primary aryl amine. And name of this compound we can give that it is known as a naphthyl amine. It is known as a naphthyl amine. Now here you can observe that this will be aryl amine because nitrogen is directly attached with a carbon of benzene ring. But here you can observe these things here that nitrogen has no hydrogen, so it is a tertiary amine. But it is which type of tertiary amine? You can say that it is tertiary aryl amine. Here you can observe that it is a 5-membered long chain. When you simplify these structures, then you will get that IUPAC name is 3, or we can give that pentane 3 amine. But here NH2 group is present on 3rd carbon atom. So it is a NH2 group is present, so it is a which type of amine? Primary amine. So structure number 3 is a primary amine. Now structure number 4. You can observe that in structure number 4, it is nothing but, I can write it here, it is a dimethyl amine. So in dimethyl amine, nitrogen having only one hydrogen. Nitrogen having only one hydrogen. So it is observed that the structure number 4 is which type of amine? It is a secondary amine. And in structure number 3, all 3 hydrogen atom is replaced by alkyl group. It has a no hydrogen atom. So it is a which type of amine? Tertiary amine. Okay. Further classification also you can give. It is tertiary amine. All 3 group attached are same. So it is a which type of amine? Tertiary simple amine. Further classified, this all group are alkyl group. So it is tertiary alkyl amine, which is simple amine. So dear students, in this lecture we have studied classification of amine. So very easy formula, just you must know the formula. RNH2, then primary amine, R2NH, then secondary amine, R3N, then it is tertiary amine. R may be anything, it may be alkyl group or it may be aryl group. If alkyl group, then we can give as a alkyl amine. If R will be aryl group, then it is a aryl amine. Now